Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Last class what you done? I think based on the parabola, correct?
Yes, sir.
Ellipse, circles over, and the parabolic equations we are doing. Hmm. Right now, find area of region bounded by find find area of region bounded by y square equal to 4x and the line x equal to 3 and the line x equal to 3. Okay, so we have to find the area of the bounded region. Start now, all of you. First you can draw diagram, is the more important. The y square equal to 4x means it is the parabola along with positive x axis will get. Along with positive x axis. Y square equal to 4x. So clearly the graph, the parabola will get like this. So this we can write now y square equal to 4x. And that line is x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, x equal to 3 here. It's the line. The area of the region bounded by the means what we have to find out, we have to find clearly the complete thing we have to find. So all of you should remember that. Clearly, these two parts are same or different. That is first important. To clear these two parts will be equal. So just you can find only one part, you
Sir,
can find it in doublet. Yes, tell me.
sir, how did we find that? We have to find the left hand side of the x is equal to 3 or right hand side.
Left hand side x equal to 3. Na.
That,
This side,
sir.
area bounded by.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
if you
Yes,
take
sir.
an, yes, listen that one. Suppose if you take in this side, what is the meaning of this condition? The parabola will be increasing. Is correct now? The top parts we are getting like this, we are increasing that. Suppose if you take a right side of this one, what will happen that? The bounded region will be infinite. That means we can't find that. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why we can take compulsory we have to take now. Inside the line only we have to take. Not outside.
Sir, if I have given x is equal,
Suppose if they given in x equal to some 5 is given. And the time what will happen, we get like this. Understood? That means the bounded area, the bounded region, what is that? Circle and that means parabola and the two lines. Then we get that this part will get between them. This part will get. Okay.
Okay.
Fine now. Right. So what is the given parabola here now? Y square equal to 4x is given. So the value of y equal to root of 4x, and it is the 2 into root x. 2 into root x. And one more thing is given, x equal to 3 also they give. The limits will be 0 to 3 because we have to find this one from here to here limit 0 to 3 we have to take. Then you can take double. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to 3 y into dx. Y into dx. Now we can write. So therefore, area equal to integration of 0 to 2, 0 to, sorry, 3, y equal to 2 into root x. Clearly we got 2 into root x into dx. And 2 is the constant value you can take here now. 0 to 3, the x root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 into dx. So 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 whole by 1 by 2 plus 1 to the 0 to 3. This is the area of bounded region is equal to. So 2 into the clearly x power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 means you can write now 2 by 3 and x power 3 by 2 whole power 0 to 3 it is. And 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3 into the 3 power 3 by 2 minus 0, minus 0. So 4 by 3 into 3 power 3 by 2 equal to, clearly can write now, square root of 3 cube into 27. The 27 can be written as 4 by 3 into 3 root 3 also we can write. 3 root 3. 3 3 will be cancelled. It is equal to 4 root 3 square units. 4 root 3 square units.
So you have
That's
to
all.
multiply by 2, no, sir?
Multiply by
2.
yes,
Because
I
taking.
multiplied. All directly formula itself I took here now.
Okay, sir.
Correct? The starting only I am taking. 4 root 3 square units. I think we are not taking 2.
No,
Sorry.
you have not taken 2, sir.
Yes, correct. There is the 2 is
8 root 3, sir.
function itself 2 is the constant.
Yes, sir.
Means here is the bounded region, then what you get? 2 is
8 root 3, sir.
8 root 3. 8 root 3 square units. By seeing this 2, I am taking thinking like it is the 2 already I am taking for formula itself. You wrote correct only. Already the same question they're asking previous 2 times for 3 marks.
Your answer is 4 root 3 square units.
4 root 3 into 2 equal to 8 root 3 square units. Okay. 4 root 3 equal to, this is the area of the only one part. Area of the one part. Twice we require now. Later you can take 2. Or else you do one thing in problem itself you can write. The starting one you can take 2. 1 2 you can take. Here also you can write now 2 into 2 you can take. So here you can write now again 2 into 2. This is directly if you want you can write now 2 2s are 4 you can write. This is you can write now 8. This is you can write now 8. This also write now 8 by 3 into this one. Clearly you can write 8 root 3. Okay. That also fine. Next, right now, find the area of the parabola. Area of parabola y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to 4ax, comma, bounded by its latest rectum, latest rectum. Now tell me, what is the meaning of latest rectum? You learned last year. In the first year straight lines, you learned that. No. It's the coning section.
Is it 4
Ah.
beats per way?
What is lateral rectum actually? Suppose you've taken parabola y square equal to 4x means clearly we'll get like this. What lateral rectum of this one? The line passes through the focus. Is correct. Focus of a parabola. That means we will get like this. Suppose this is the focus means then you'll get like this. And how to get the focus means based on that value. Suppose if taken y square equal to 4ax and this a is called focus, a comma 0. A comma 0 is called focus. Through this focus, just you can draw a line. It touches the parabola in the two endpoints here now. This is the we call as the lattice rectum. So what they're asking here now, find the area of a parabola y square equal to 4x bounded by its lattice rectum. That means then what will get? This area we have to find. And whatever this point here now, x equal to a. Now what are the limits we have? 0 to a we have to take. Two parts are there now, same thing. So directly can take 2 into integration of 0 to a y into dx. Then I can find it. This is x equal to a. This area we required now. So this parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So given here now, y square equal to 4ax. So the value of y equal to, so y equal to root of 4ax. So 2 into root a into root x. The value of y equal to. And one more thing is given x equal to a. So therefore, area of bounded region equal to area of bounded region. Area of bounded region equal to, you can write clearly integration of 0 to a y into dx. Integration of 0 to a y into dx. Now we can find it. So the value of y equal to, clearly we got 2 into root a into root x. Root a into root x we got. So therefore, the value of a equal to 0 to anyhow again two parts are there now. You can take here now 2 into. So y equal to 2 into root a into root x into dx. 2 root a is the constant value, take outside. 2 into root a, integration of 0 to a, this is the x power 1 by 2 into dx. Now integrate 2 2s are 4, 4 into root a into x power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2. The limits will be 0 to a. So 4 root a into 2 by 3. So x power 3 by 2 whole power, okay, the limits will be 0 to a now. So 2 4s are 8. 8 root a by 3 into x means it is the value of a, you can take a power 3 by 2 minus 0. So you can multiply these two values now. The root a equal to root a can be written as 8 by 3 into a power 1 by 2 into a power 3 by 2. A power m plus a power n. I think clearly we'll get a square. So 8 by 3 a square square units. That is the area of the bounded region. Area of the bounded region. When it is, find the area of the parabola y square equal to 4x bounded by its lattice rectum. Parabola means always should remember that lattice rectum means it should be always passes through the focus of a parabola. In this y square equal to 4x, the focus equal to a. Okay. Find area enclosed by curve y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x, comma, y axis, comma, y axis, and the line y equal to 3, and the line y equal to 3. Okay. Further, find the area enclosed by curve y square equal to 4x, comma, y axis, and the line y equal to 3. Always the graph is the more important. If you got clarity, then how to get the graph of that, then whatever they're asking problem, then easily we'll solve that. Clearly graph also, this is the graph of that. What is that? Y square equal to 4x, the parabola, and y axis and y equal to 3. Suppose you've taken this is the y equal to 3 means, so we'll get the line like this. This is the y equal to 3. Now tell me anyone, what is the region we required now? What is the bounded region, required bounded region in this?
0 to 3, sir.
0 to 3, it's okay. Then where is the bounded region? This one, na?
Reason, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
This one we have to find. This is the bounded region, y equal, the line y equal to 3, and the parabola and the y-axis. But don't get any confusion, if you take the outside also, the limits will be 0 to 3 only. And with respect to the circle equation, we have to find. That's all. Okay. So given y square equal to 4x and the value of y equal to 2 root x. And one more thing is given, and y equal to 3 also they gave. Now find the area of bounded region you can find. So therefore, area of bounded region, area of bounded region, bounded region is equal to integration of 0 to 3, but the limits we are taking on the y-axis. Please tell me. The limits we are taking on the y-axis. Then what we have to find? We have to find the value of y or value of x we have to find. Respond anyone.
Value of y, sir.
Value of y, yeah? Or value of x?
Value of x, sorry.
X,
We
sir.
have to find. So x equal to, then what will you get? Y square by 4. Okay. So here also you can write now x into dy. Now you can substitute in there now. Integration of 0 to 3. So the value of x equal to y square by 4 into dy. Now anyhow 1 by 4 is the constant value, take outside. 1 by 4 is constant value. You can take outside here. So therefore, area is equal to 1 by 4 if you take an outside. Integration of 0 to 3 y square into dy. So 1 by 4 into y square equal to clearly y cube by 3 to 0 to 3. Then I can find it 1 by 4 into, so 3 cube by 3 minus 0. So 1 by 4 into, so 27 by 3. 3 in this number 9 times. So 9 by 4 square units. This is the area of the bounded region. Area of bounded region. Y square equal to 4x and the line y equal to 3 and y-axis. Suppose when you draw on the diagram on the time, this bounded region, suppose we are taken the inside the parabola, but you done the complete procedure, whatever you find the area, it will be correct, you done, but definitely they will reduce the marks. Diagram is the more important. In diagrammatically we have to present very clearly and we have to show very clearly and what we are finding, that is more important.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in any question, they won't ask like an infinite area, like enclosed.
No, infinite area we are not getting, because the problem itself, the here meaning is there now, enclosed. Correct? The area of bounded region. So what is the meaning of bounded region? It will be, yes or no, closed by some other curves or lines. That means that the area will be finite. It's not infinite. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We are not getting the infinite area. It's not at all possible. Because if you take the infinite area, then how can you calculate that? Is correct? That means suppose we are telling the one answer means maybe it will become that increasing, that maybe it will be decreasing. We don't know. It will be finite, then only it's possible. Okay? Right. But these all the questions are important because already previous they're asking in examinations. Because in this chapter we have very less questions are there, and that it is the only 3 to 4 exercises. So we have to learn perfectly, because from that chapter we will get almost 78 marks. One 3 marks question, one essay question also we will get. Find area bounded by curve y equal to x square, and y equal to 4. And y equal to 4. But these all the questions are 3 marks only. But don't think like it is the essay questions. Only 3 marks questions. Based on the parabola, 3 marks. Here, tell me the graph now. If we
Positive
take in
y.
the curve y equal to x square means the positive y-axis is
Yes, sir.
x dash and y dash origin. So clearly the parabola will get like this. Okay. And y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 means suppose if taken y equal to 4 here means, so clearly this is the line now. This is the line. So y equal to 4. So we have to find the bounded region by parabola and the line y equal to 4. This entire whole area we have to find. In this case also the limits, whatever we have taken the limits compulsory we have to take on the y-axis. Then what we have to find now? The value of x we have to find first. And clearly the two parts will be equal. So one part you can find and double it. First you can find the area of the one part and twice of that you can take. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Yes. Okay. All of you try yourself that. Try yourself. Very easy. All of you already done so many questions. You can find yourself and tell me that. Find it. Given curve y equal to x square, definitely we required now the value x required. X equal to root y and the y equal to 4 they given. So therefore area of bounded region is equal to take it. Again two parts we required now. So integration of 0 to 4 x into dy. Again 2 into integration of 0 to 4. The value of x equal to we got now root y into dy. Now we can find it. So therefore area is equal to 2 into
32 by 3 square units, sir.
okay, very good. 32 by
3 square units.
okay, 32 by 3, correct, into dy now. So 2 into any of this value you can write y power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So 0 to 4. So 2 into you can write this value and 2 into 2 by 3 and y power 3 by 2. So 0 to 4 now. So 4 by 3 into the 4 power you can write 4 power 3 by 2 minus 0. The 4 power means you can write now 4 by 3 into 4 can be written as 2 square and 2 will be cancelled and 2 cube means 8 into 8. 4 8 are 32 by 3 square units. The area of the bounded region by the parabola x square equal to y and y equal to 4. Okay. One more is a different question. No, it's not parabola. If they give a normal line and some other lines, then how to find the area of the bounded region? Right. Find the area of region bounded by. Find the area of region. Area of region bounded by line y equal to 3x plus 2.
Sir,
Ah,
so your voice is breaking and the board is also becoming blur, sir. It is becoming blur.
now for all the same thing, for only Kushi. I think once you can see your network, Kushi.
No, sir. Before it was coming full red for you, sir. Now it is fine.
Let's find now. Okay. I think that means here only problem it is. Right. Find the area of region bounded by the line y equal to 3x plus 2 and x-axis comma x-axis and the ordinates the ordinates the ordinates x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. Anyone, please tell me that how to find the area of the bounded region. Always the graph is more important to us. First we have to draw the graph. If you take n y equal to 3x plus 2, it is always just linear equation in two variables. The graph of linear equation is always straight line. Maybe we'll get one straight line we'll get. And the area bounded by this line and the x-axis at x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. So for drawing the graph here now, compulsory clearly, first we have to find the points. I think all of you know very well that one. First you can write now, given line. What is the given line here? Y equal to 3x plus 2. Now you can find the points here. X and y you can take. Suppose if you take in x equal to 0, the value of y equal to 2 now. X equal to 1, the value of y equal to how much? 5. So x equal to -1, the value of this y equal to -3 plus 2 equal to here also -1. The 3 points enough. If you want, you can take here now. One more also you can take. Suppose if you want, you can take 2. 2 means the value of y equal to get 8. So it's lengthy. 3 points enough for you because you know very well how to draw the graph. So by using this all the points, you can draw the graph. The x and y axis, x dash, y dash origin. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and -1, -2, -3 so on. 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. The -1, -2, -3, -4 so on. So take the points first. 0, 2. Where is 0, 2 here now? This is the point 0, 2. 1, 5. So approximately the 1, 5. If you want, this is like an extend. 5, 6, 7, y-axis. So 1, 5 means approximately you'll get here lies. -1, -1. -1, -1. Correct or not? -1, -1. This is the point now. This is the point. And this also you can take some little bit length you can take here now. Because your space will be different, your space will be different. -1, -2, -3, so on. So clearly, we'll get this point here. Now you can draw a line. this is the given line. It is the y equal to how much? 3x plus 2. Y equal to 3x plus 2. Okay. And what about next one? And 2 more points is given. And this is the x-axis anyhow we got. So x equal to minus 1. So this is the x equal to minus 1. Clearly we got. And x equal to 1 means here this is the value of x equal to 1. This point also we have to take. Now through this point, you can now draw one line. Through this point, you can draw one line. Okay. We got the line now. Now you can find it. The area bounded by the x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, and y equal to 3x plus 2 on x-axis. Then what will you get? Tell me now. This is the we call as the area of the bounded region. And this point directly we are not taking 1 comma 5. All of you should remember that. Then how to get this intersection point means anyhow we got x equal to 1 here. The limits will be from here to here we have to take, and based on the line. The limits will be what you get?
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1 to plus 1. What does that tell me? Tell me the limits now.
So when x is minus 1,
X is minus
x
1.
is,
Yes, x is minus 1.
when x is minus 1, y is also minus 1, no, sir.
Correct only, na? This one. X equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1.
So that is 1 plus 1.
That is plus.
That means we have to get down. Okay, sorry. That means we will get this point here now. This is the point.
Yes, sir.
This is the point. That means in graph sheet you are drawing clearly means then you get straight line you will get.
So
Okay?
we need to do this question on graph sheet.
Graph sheet we have to do because on the rough diagram it's not possible. Okay, because if you take in the linear equation compulsory we have to get now straight line. But this is the minus 1 comma minus 1 means clearly maybe we'll get like this. Okay, you can see the clearly that. So this is the line y equal to minus 1. The complete area we have to find. The complete area we have to find.
So the limits is
the limits
minus
then
1
what will take? Minus
minus
1 to
1.
minus
So-
1 to 1 thing you can take here now. 2 first if you want clearly, but from here to here directly we are not taking. We have to find the area means directly we can't take because from here to here we are taking means so what you get? Tell me now. From here to whole thing we are getting. So then what we have to do means from here to here first you can take limit, and from here to here also you can find it. From here to here also you can take. From here to here one thing, from here to here also other thing. Okay. Can you find all of you? The means minus 1 to 0, 1 limit. Or else what is the limit there now? Minus 2 1 in is correct. Minus 1 to 0 is the one limit.
Sir, answer is 4, sir.
No, 4 is wrong. But generally you can do one more thing also here now. Suppose we have to find this limit means when we are taking that one x equal to 0, x equal to 0 here, and x equal to 0 I can substituting in the given line now. What you get? Tell me. X equal to 0 substitute in there now. So the value of y equal to 2. Correct. It's fine that. Take it.
Sir, can I integrate from 0 to 2 also?
And one more thing here, no, just 1 second, but 2 minutes once, all of you, because still we are not getting the complete diagram. It's fine that all of you once you can see that, but 2 minutes reason. Okay, water rate and everything is fine, that the reason also. And the problem itself, once you can see that y equal to 3x plus 2 and x-axis, and the ordinates x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. The complete thing we require now. That means, suppose you can take here now, x equal to -1 we got. I'll draw the line one more time, that all the points here. Then you'll get more clarity. Okay, suppose this is the origin, and -1, -2, and -3. The points, please tell me that 0, 2. This is the one point, 0, 2. 0, 2 is the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Next, 1, 5. Clearly, we got the point is here now. This is the 1, 5. One more thing, -1, -1. So -1, -1 is the point here. You can draw this line now straight. Yes, this is the line. Clearly we got. And x equal to -1 means, but this line is moving here now. It's not directly from through -1 it is. That means we have to find the area. We have to find the area of this one. And if taken x equal to 1 here now, through this also we have to take this one. Complete this area we can find. Okay, this area plus the small area outside also we require that, because x equal to -1 and x-axis and the line, the small part and the whole part. That's why here limits. So then how can you take means, all of you should remember that this point first we have to find the point on the x-axis. What do you get? X, 0. That means y must be equal to 0, na? Is correct?
But without graph, how can we find the point?
Graph 1, based on the graph 1 I'm finding. You draw on this line now. This line is to touch the x-axis at somewhere between 0 and -1, correct? That means
Yes,
this is small area also required now, and full area also required. So for finding the small area, from here to here we have to take limits. From here to here we have to take the limits now. This is the anyhow -1, and this point also required. This point also required. But the point on the x-axis, y must be always equal to 0. So y equal to 0, you can substitute in there now. 0 equal to 3x plus 2. So 3x equal to -2. So the value of x equal to -2 by 3. That means this point is x equal to -2 by 3. So that limits, then what we have to take the limits means, from -1 to -2 by 3, one thing. And from here to here also required now. So -2 by 3 to 1, second one. If you take in 0 to -1 to -2 by 3, we'll get this area. -2 by 3, 1, we'll get the complete area we'll get. So according to problem, we'll get the bounded region. So now we can write now. So therefore, the area of the bounded region is equal to area of bounded region equal to integration of, first you can take the limits now, -1 to -2 by 3, because x equal to -1 to the intersection point x-axis and the line is -2 by 3 into x into dx, sorry, y into dx, plus integration of, from here to here also required now, whatever is point here, -2 by 3 to 1, so y into dx. Now we can substitute in there, -1 to -2 by 3. The value of y equal to, you can take the same function you can take here now. So 3x plus 2 into dx plus integration of -2 by 3 to 1, 3x plus 2 into dx. Now simplify that. So that implies area is equal to integration of 3x plus 2 equal to different, we know very well that 3x square by 2 plus 2x is the minus 1 to minus 2 by 3 plus, here also same only, 3x square by 2 plus 2x. Here also minus, but it's the minus 2 by 3 to 1.
So,
Yes, tell me.
so I didn't understand why we are taking minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. It's excluded,
One
right?
minute. I will draw here.
We
now
need to
the,
find
the area bounded by the y equal this line and x equal to minus 1. That means clearly the x equal to minus 1 we are getting the outside.
x-axis and x is equals to 1. Yes, sir. We are getting outside. So why we need to
That's right.
consider that?
Yes. I'll draw the one big diagram, big graph here now. Okay. I'll take x, y, x dash and y dash and 0 plus 1, 2, 3, so on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 outside you can take. Minus 1, minus 2, so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Now tell me the points. 0, 2 we'll get the point here, and 1, 5 means approximately we'll get now, and minus 1, minus 1 we'll get the point here. Correct, Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Now draw the line now, straight line. Is correct?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the line y equal to 3x plus 2. But generally what is required now? The area bounded by this line, and this is the x-axis. X equal to minus 1. Where you get x equal to minus 1? This is the point.
Yes, sir.
Correct. That means this is the point. So that x equal to minus 1 line x-axis means we'll get this bounded region here now. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This one is required. And if taken x equal to 1 means we'll get the line like this. And this area also required. Correct?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So these two areas required. And suppose we have to take the limits means this point also required. Na? That means from here to here we are taking means this area will get. Plus from here to here we are taking means we will get this area.
Sir,
That's why I'm taking here now the point on the x-axis. What is the point on x-axis? X comma 0, na? Correct. The point on x-axis, x comma 0. That means y must be equal to 0. So y equal to 0, you can substituting in the given line now, because the intersection, this point we call intersection point of x-axis and the line. That means whatever we are taking the y equal to 0, you can substituting in the given line only. If we take x equal to 0, it means y equal to 0, the value of x equal to minus 2 by 3 we got. That means this point should be, what is that? X equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 to minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 to plus 1. The two limits. When we are taking that x equal to minus 1 to x equal to minus 2 by 3, we will get with respect to the line, we'll get this area. When we are taking that x equal to minus 2 by 3 to x equal to 1, with respect to this line, we'll get this area. We are adding both of them, then you will get the required bounded region, you will get the area of the bounded region. I got the clarity? No, it's okay. Please respond.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Okay? Yes. Now I can simplify.
sir,
Sir.
sir, if I integrate from 0 to 2, sir, what area will I get?
But 0 to 2 means from here to here will get. That also it's fine that. 0 to 2 and 0 to 1. Sorry. This is the point. Minus 2 by 3 to 0 and 0 to 1. Two parts will get. And plus compulsory, this also required now. But this area is required means in order to take minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. But instead of y as 1 as we are taking here now two parts again. One part only take it directly. Minus 2 by 3 to 1. Best only, na?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Substitute
why
here.
can't we take from minus 1 to plus 1, sir?
Minus 1 to plus 1 we are taking means, okay, suppose you've taken minus 1 to plus 1. This is the minus 1. But this part is not required enough for us. It's correct. Minus 1 to 1 means we'll get now up to here. This entire thing we are getting. It's not possible. It's not required for us.
Okay, sir.
Correct now? Maybe suppose we are taking the down also -1 to 1, but this area also not required for us.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So area equal to upper limit minus lower limit. 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square by 2 plus 2 into minus 2 by 3 and minus of minus 1 you can substitute in there now 3 into minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 and clearly for this one you can put the bracket. So more important plus and second one 3 into 1 square by 2 plus 2 into 1 minus of 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square by 2 plus 2 into minus 2 by 3. I think here also no need to simplify that value because anyhow these two terms will be same we are getting. We'll get cancelled that directly. Maybe we can simplify these two now. So area equal this one right ask is only 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square by 2 and plus into minus equal to minus 2 2s are 4 4 by 3 and minus of 3 into minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1 by 2 minus 2. So this one we got now plus this one clears right now 3 by 2 plus 2 3 by 2 plus 2 and second one minus into plus equal to will get minus 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square by 2 minus into plus equal to minus minus into minus equal to get plus 4 by 3. What happened? Everything will get cancelled now. There is not possible, no? Is correct? Minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square whole by 2 plus 2 into minus 2 by 3 minus of 3 into minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 2 into minus 1. First term it is. So this one you simplify means then you will get clearly 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square by 2 and plus into minus 4 by 3 and minus this is become the plus. This one become that plus because plus into minus equal to minus minus into plus equal to minus into minus equal to plus. This is the negative only minus correct. And 1 means 3 into 1 square by 2 plus 2 into 1 and minus of 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square by 2 plus 2 into minus 3 by 2. Minus 2 by 3. It will be fine that. That means clearly that these two will be cancelled. The two are cancelled now. For fine now, we now complete fast that.
Sir, upper limit should be minus 2 by 3, na, sir?
Upper limit is minus 2 by 3, correct only. Upper limit minus lower limit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus, here upper limit is plus 1, no? And lower limit is minus 2 by 3. If what you can take the full bracket, you can take. Full bracket. But everything will get cancelled now. These two will be cancelled and these two also cancel. These two also cancel. And 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 square units. And you can verify the one more way also here now. Generally, it is the form of what is triangular, correct? It forms a triangle. Then the area of triangle equal to half into base into height. This is the height now. Height equal to how much? 5. Correct or not? 5. And base equal to from minus 2 by 3 to 1. This will whole length you can take as a base. That also you can verify.
Sir, but
Yes,
solve
yes, yes, yes. Yes, correct only. No problem that. No issue. Let's find that.
So what is the answer, sir?
But here we got now 4. We got now. It's correct. Separate we are doing the integration of 3x plus 2. 3 into x square by 2 and 2x. We done the correct only. Right now. That same thing. But here they given some different answer. That's why I'm searching that. Here they gave the answer. It is 13 by 3.
Yes, sir. Even I got 13 by 3.
You got now.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
So because that one
Where done
will
that?
get negative, sir. It is in minus y side now, sir.
Y side. It will be negative. Correct.
Negative y side, so it will be minus. We have to take modulus, sir. Area cannot be negative.
Yes, yes. Area cannot be negative. For second, this one. Yes. If you take when you're taking this side now, this down part, it will be modulus. So first part you can take the modulus. Correct now? This is you can take here now modulus. That means we have to calculate completely. This is you can say right as it is. This is the
So we
modulus.
can calculate separately now.
Up to here minus 3 by 2 up to here. This will be model separately in calculate. It's fine. So 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square means then what you get now 4 by 9 whole by 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. And this value can be written as same thing only plus 3 by 2 plus 2 means then what will you get? 2 is the LCM means 7 by 2 na? 7 by 2 minus 3 into 4 by 9 whole by 2 plus 4 by 3. 4 by 3. The simplify it. Yes, because we are not seeing this one. Because down part we are taking is the negative. The area will be never be negative. It should be always positive. So compulsory we have to take here now modulus. The top part will be you can take positive. Nothing happen it is. So is the 3 in this number 3 times. So it is 4 by 6 minus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2 plus here also 3 in this number 3 times. So 7 by 2 minus 4 by 6 plus 4 by 3. I'll calculate everything. So if taken inside the bracket separately, 6 LCM here now, 4 minus 8 minus 9 and plus 12. Plus 12 plus. Here also 6 LCM here now. So 21 minus 8 plus 2 means 8 plus 8. And these two also will be cancelled. So 4 minus 16 minus 17. So it is the 1 by 6 plus 21 by 6. And sum of these two equal to how much? 22 by 6. 22 only, 26 it is. Minus 8 minus 9 equal to minus 17. It's minus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 6 correct only. And these will be cancelled.
So that should be 25 by 6.
25. That means this is a 25 here. Correct? 6 means 3 times. 3 7s are 21. The 21 only we are getting. 21 by 6. 25. Where is 25 here? 3 into, if take this one, 3 by 2 plus 2 equal to, clearly we got now 7 by 2. It's fine that minus 3 into 4 by 9 by 2. 3 times, number 4 by 6. So 7 by 2 minus 4 by 6 plus 4 by 3. 6 is the LCM here. So 3 times. 3 7s are 21 minus 4. Yes. This is the minus 4 only. This is the 21. This is the plus 8. We will get 25. Correct. Sum of these two numbers 26. So 13 by 3 square units. Okay. So all of you here remember that one. It is the area of the lower line. Compulsory we have to take here now modulus, because the area will be always positive, never be negative. Correct only. These are the questions based on the parabola, circles, and ellipse. Parabola, circles, and ellipse. Any doubts in that circles, parabola, and ellipse? Please respond. All of you, one by one. Now finding the area of the bounded region based on the circle, ellipse, and parabola and lines. Any doubts you have? No doubts means I'm going to start the new topic, that is the area of the triangle. So finding area of triangle. Ritesh? Ritesh, admit yourself. Ritesh?
So how many more topics left in this chapter, sir?
Then area of triangle we have to find one thing. After area of the triangle, if they given cubic polynomial, like if they given trigonometric functions, okay, then how to find the bounded region? That also one more concept is there. And if they given suppose two parabolas, they given two parabolas, then how to find the bounded region? If you done that one means, then chapter is almost over. Chapter is done. Okay, that means so hardly will complete within 2 classes. Okay, within 2 classes will complete this chapter.
So this chapter is somewhat difficult, no, sir.
Yes, yes, definitely. Definitely. That's why they gave very less questions. Because for taking the limits and finding all those things, but drawing the graph only more important was. Suppose the graph we done the mistake, but definitely drawing the graph is important and finding the limits also important. And the integration part very easy. The integration part very easy because of small functions will get. Then easily we can do the integration. Means the calculation part is will get more. Calculation part. So all of you can do whatever we done the problems, so the same questions you can repeatedly. If you want, if you have any other books are there means you can try yourself that. Okay.
So these questions are from R.D. Sharma, sir.
Yes. And parabola only you can write one more thing right now, one more question, right? In parabola. right now? All of you completed? If you done means I'll tell the next question.
Sir, I'm still doing.
Oh yes, yes. Complete fast. How does it must remind me? Just I'll tell the next question. The next class we will start the area of the triangle.
So after completing this chapter, we'll do definite integrals.
Yes, we'll do. Okay. We'll do the definite integrals. Then we'll start the differential equation. The different integrals we will do 2 to 3 classes. Okay.
Yes.
Different integrals we have to the limit of some one model is there and properties of different integrals. Yes, we'll do that 2 to 3 classes. This Thursday, Friday. Thursday, what is the date? Today is 6th, 7th. Tomorrow no class for us. 8th and 9th. Okay. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th from Monday. So this Thursday and Friday, 2 days continuation we will do the same chapter. Then these 2 classes I will complete this chapter. Means I will cover all the models. And Kushi have from Monday examinations are there. Then happy she will write examination.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this Friday, no test, sir.
Because we'll complete the portion because she have examination is there, na? Okay, we'll do
Okay,
that.
sir.
Then next week I will do one thing. It is maybe Monday or Tuesday I'll give the test. Because last week also I didn't conduct any test. So definitely this week we have to write based on the application of derivatives. Either Monday or Tuesday I'll give the test. You only tell me Monday or Tuesday. One day will compulsory. One day will fix it. Suppose we're delaying means it is the complete we're delaying one by one, but we can't complete the revision. Okay, all of you completed? Right now, next question you can write. Find the area enclosed between. Find the area. Find the area enclosed between. Enclosed between parabola. Parabola y square equal to 4ax. Parabola y square equal to 4ax. And the line y equal to mx, and the line y equal to mx, y equal to mx. What is the meaning of y equal to mx? Anyone tell me?
Sir, this is homogeneous equation.
So the homogeneous equation means compulsory passes through the origin. Correct.
Yes, sir.
But this is the, I think, slope intercept form. The straight lines we got. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
First you can draw the graph here now. If you take n y square equal to 4x, the graph how it will be? Y dash on the origin. So y square equal to 4x means the graph clearly will get like this. This is, you can mention this, the y square equal to 4ax. 4ax now. And if taken y equal to mx, the graph also clearly will get the passes through the origin. So clearly we'll get like this now. This is the line we can take here now, y equal to mx line. Y equal to mx. Now the area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4x and y equal to mx. I think this is the shaded region, correct? This is the bounded region now. Bounded region. So we have to find that area. Now how to find this? And limits also required now. This is anyhow 0. This is the intersection point of parabola and the line. And through this point, you can draw one line perpendicular to the x-axis. X-axis. That means from here to here we have to take. But this here is required means then how to find? Anyone please tell me the idea? Please tell me now. Required this bounded area required. Kushi?
Sir, area of parabola minus triangle.
Area of the this whole
Chord minus the
from here to here, area of the whole thing with respect to the parabola minus area of the remaining part with respect to the line. We have to subtract it.
So can you say it again? We
It's
should
like
do that sector minus that coordinate.
That's all. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector minus area, because this the angle will be 90 degrees. But in this case, but don't apply area of the triangle formula. Area of the sector formula, don't apply it. Here compulsory we have to do based on the, what is that? Integration only we have to find. But how to find means area of the sector. The area of sector we have to take clearly that area of the whole area with respect to the circle, the intervals will be from 0 to this point we have to take.
Oh,
And
how
we
to
have
find that point?
This point how to find means by solving parabola and the line. Correct now? By solving parabola and line equation, we'll get this point. Through this point, I can find it. Okay, solve now first. So given one is the y square equal to 4ax, you can take here the first equation, and y equal to mx is the second equation. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 1 comma 2. Y equal to mx substitute in there now. So mx whole square is equal to 4ax. So this is the m square x square equal to 4ax now, and the square and x will be cancelled. So the value of x equal to 4a by m square. 4a by m square. And x equal to 4a by m square, you can substitute in there now. So the value of y equal to m into 4a by m square, m and square will be cancelled. So clearly you can write now 4a by m. It's the value of y equal to 4a by m. And what is the point? Tell me now. This intersection point. This point will be 4a by m square, comma 4a by m. This is the point. And what is the value of, what is the x coordinate? Tell me. What is the x value now? This length is called the distance from, what is that? X axis. That means y value, this entire thing. This is a 4a by m. This is 4a by m square. That means here x equal to, you can write now 4a by m square. Okay. So what are the limits? Tell me now. The limits, tell me.
0 to 4a by m square.
0 to 4a by m square. Now we can find it. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to bounded region equal to. First you can take area of the full function. You can take, what is that? Integration of 0 to 4a by m square, the y into dx minus, and with respect to the line now. Suppose if you take a line, what you get now? Y square equal to 4ax means, if you want here only you can write, that implies the value of x equal, y equal to 2 into root a into root x. 2 into root a into root x. You want directly you can take. So 2 into root a into root x into dx, one thing, minus integration of 0 to 4a by m square, the value of y equal to here now mx into dx. Mx into dx. Now I can find it. So area equal to, anyhow 2 into root a is the constant value, take outside. Or root x means you can get now x power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2, the 0 to 4a by m square minus m is the constant value here. M is the constant value. If you want m equal to what, you can tell me, anyone? Is it possible to get the value of m here? Or take m directly, you can take m is the constant outside. So this is the x square by 2, 0 to 4a by m square. Or else you can do one more thing also. Directly this integral you can take out, common you can take. Because both the
said
integrals
that
will be
it's,
common. What, tell me, Chirag?
Sir, you said that it is slope intercept form, sir.
Oh, yes.
So can we take m is equal to slope?
What is the slope, you know?
No, sir.
Okay. So area equal to, you can write now 2 into root a, upper limit minus lower limit. Any of the second will be 0 only. So 4a by m square, 4a by m square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 also you can take reciprocal now into 2 by 3. One thing minus m into 4a by m square whole square by 2. The completely can simplify that. A equal to 2 into root a, and you can calculate this values here now. 2 to the 4. If you want, you can write directly 4 by 3 into root a, 4 by 3 into root a, and 4a whole power 3 by 2 means anyhow 2 will be cancelled. It becomes that m cube clearly. And this one you can write now square root of 4a whole cube whole by m minus, so this is the m into 16a square by m power 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 now. So 2 in this number 8 times and m in this number 3 times. This is the whole cube, m cube it is. It is a m cube. Okay. I will write now here. So area equal to, multiply all the values here now. Root of 4a whole cube equal to how much? 1 4a we can take outside. That means it is the 4 by 3. I mean, so 4 root a into by 3 into 4a into root of 4a whole by m cube. I mean, directly can write now 3m cube minus 8a square by m cube. Now clearly this value I can write now 4 4 are 16. 16a into root 4 equal to 2 and 2 into root a. Root a into root a equal to a only, and a into a equal to a square into 2a square whole by 3m cube minus 8a square by m cube. So this is the 32 a square by 3m cube minus 8a square by m cube. Now take LCM. 3m cube is the LCM now. So this is the 32 a square minus 3 8 is 24 a square. 24 a square. 32 minus 24 equal to clearly 8. So 8 a square by m cube is the answer for that. 8 a square by m cube. 3m cube square units. Now anyone, any step you got the confusion means immediately please tell me. We'll discuss one more time that. We'll discuss one more time. Anyone in these questions of any calculation, any step, still you have confusion is there means please tell me. We'll discuss now.
So what test do we have on Tuesday?
Tuesday, na? Next Tuesday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'll give the test. Or Monday or Tuesday? You want it just if any you are telling means by the particular day I'll give the test to you, either Monday or Tuesday. Next week compulsory. Because already we are delaying 2 weeks. Okay, Tuesday I'll give the test. The application of derivatives, the remaining exercise. I think last time I gave the rate of change. Sorry. I didn't give the any
So
test
you
on
did
the
not give,
application of
sir.
derivative. Yes. So first 3 exercises I'll give. Okay. Based on the first 3 exercises, that means rate of change. Next one is normal and tangents. Rate of change, normal and tangents I'll give. What are the 2 concepts? Okay. In the same way, I'll give you one problem to you. All of you once you can try yourself. Same model, but previous I am taking that line equal to y equal to mx. But without y equal to mx, I will take the some other equation. Then it will become that very easy. If anyone completed means solve this question. Find the area lying between parabola y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x, and the line y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x. Start now. And complete and tell me answer. Same model. Same model. The answer also clearly we got that. A equal to 1 means then you will get now 8 by, that means 1 by 3 is the answer for that. 1 by 3 square units. Because clearly, because it's the previous we done the derivation. If they given y equal to mx and y square equal to 4ax, then area equal to 8a square by 3m cube. The same procedure. Compare this. Y square equal to 4x means the value of a equal to 1. And y equal to 2x means the value of m equal to 2. So a equal to 1, m equal to 2, you can substitute in there now. 8 into 1 square, 8 by 3 into 2 cube means 8. 8 it will be cancelled. So 1 by 3 square units. That's the area of the bounded region for the this question. Okay, but all of you can write the complete procedure. Step by step, I can solve that. Very easy, simple question. But the formula will be same. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle.
So we need to simplify so much, sir. Can't we just stop after substituting
No,
the
no, no, no,
values
don't
and find?
substitute directly. Okay. This is the normal equation is given means the slope intercept form and normal parabola equation is given means we done the
No,
procedure.
sir. I'm asking that right side, the last line.
Ah.
Can't we stop at that point?
No, we can't stop.
We need to full simplify
Yes,
it.
compulsory. We need to simplify that. We need to simplify. And this is more easy. Y square equal to 4x and 2x. So this graph will be y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x, and this is the y equal to 2x. Then by solving these two lines, so here you can write now 2x whole square, means 2x whole square equal to, we will get 4, 4x square equal to 4x, and x also cancel. So the value of x equal to 1. The value of x equal to 1. And x equal to 1 means then y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 now. So this point must be 1 comma 2 is the point. So this point I can take here now. This is the x equal to 1. The limits will be can take from 0 to 1 we have to take. So area of the bounded region is equal to, so this is the 0 to 1, and the value of y equal to root 2 into root x. 2 into root x into dx. Root x into dx. And this is the 2x into dx. Here also 0 to 1. So all I can simplify that. So area is equal to 2 is the constant value. Clearly we get x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. The 0 to 1 minus 2 into x square by 2. The 0 to 1 now 2 will be cancelled. So 2 into 2 by 3. So x power 3 by 2 to 0 1 minus x square 0 to 1 it is. So upper limit minus lower limit. 4 by 3 into the 1 minus 0 will get minus. This is the clearly 1 only. So 4 by 3 minus 1 equal to 1 by 3 square units. So we got the same answer. 1 by 3 square units. Here also, from this equation we are taking, sometimes all of you should remember this formula, this way of formula it is. The area of the bounded region y square equal to 4x, and the line y equal to mx is 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square by 3m cube. Suppose they are asking for one more question. Suppose directly they gave. And the time may be useful to us without solving that. That is the value of a equal to 1 and the value of m equal to 2. You can substitute in there now. The area equal to 1 by 3 square units. Clear now? Today what we done? Today also we done completely area of the parabola only we are finding that one. Area bounded region parabola with the lines.
Sir,
Ah,
so for the previous question, I'm not getting the same answer.
this one, previous one.
Yes, sir.
That means somewhere I think you done the mistake in simplifications. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So after this class, after dinner, just once you can sit some time. Once you try it. But that time also you're not getting means, then next class just you ask me, I'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Because already time now 8:38. Okay. So today we'll end the session. Next class will continue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ah.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.